Good Monday. This is Jay Brew, co-chairman of Seafried and Brew. Well, as the Fed is most likely going to make the decision in here this week to raise rates, is that what is normal? And that's a big question in the times that we live in. Even over the past 10 years, has there ever been a time that has been normal? So when we think of that, is that we think from the standpoint of the Fed with the blue dots. When we look at the blue dots in here, we really have concentrated on 2015. And as we look out in terms of what the Fed feels is normal, is rates getting back up into that 3.5% to 4% range. Because if you're over 40, that's normal. But if you're a millennial, is that zero type interest rates are really normal, low rates. So what is normal in the world? Once again, we've talked about the appreciation of the dollar in here, getting up to levels that are just incredible, up 28% since 2014's low, 2015 up 11.3%. We look at it from the standpoint of crude, and of course this week West Texas actually getting slightly below 35, down 40% for 2015. Is that normal? Along with it, the commodity index, which we've talked about, more pressure on that, not only from oil, but other commodities in the basket. In 2015, down 25%. Since 2014, down 43%. Is that normal? So when we think about normal, this slide I think is just incredible. Once again, the blue line is the Bloomberg Commodity Index we were just looking at. But what we've added in, China's steel exports. Because China's steel exports are a state-run industry, they have to keep going in here. So when we look at it, it's just amazing in terms of the upward versus the downward move in commodities. And that is particularly evident in iron ore prices. Iron ore prices since 2014, down 67%. So is this normal? Is this having an impact on the world, on the U.S., or do we have what we can call the new normal? And as we move into 2016, maybe that's the new word, that normal is not a normalization, but we have to deal with a new normal. This is Jay Brew, co-chairman of Seafried and Brew. Have a great week.